Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Sharifah Nadia BINTI Shah Syed. My nomenclature is S549110. The topic is liquidity analysis for Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad and SKP Resources Berhad. The principal activities of Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad is an investment holding company and provides management services to the subsidiaries within the group. The principal activities of SKP Resources Berhad are investment holding and provision of management services to the subsidiaries. The two companies are industrial product and services. Firstly, current ratio analysis. The formula is current asset divided by current liabilities. For Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad, the current assets involve inventories 50,360,000, trade receivable 50,904,000, other receivable 790,000, lease receivable 54,000, tax recoverable 375,000, fixed deposit with license 7,149,000, and cash and bank balance 2,990,000, and the total current assets 42,634,000. Current liabilities involve trade payables 10,198,000, other payables 1,980,000, amount due to directors 124,000, finance lease liabilities 181,000, right of use lease liabilities 158,000, bank borrowings 3,649,000, and tax payable 33,000. The total 60,333,000. Current assets 42,624,000 divided by current liabilities 60,333,000 equal 2.61 for current ratio. Current ratio analysis for SKP Resources Berhad. The current assets involve inventories 164,138,000, trade and other receivables 358,680,000, tax recoverable 5,033,000, prepayments 8,743,000, other investment 126,135,000, and cash and bank balance 55,339,000. The total current assets 780,058,000. Current liabilities involve trade and other payables 394,474,000, contract liabilities 5,257,000, borrowing 106,000, lease liabilities 1,820,000, and provisions 30,885,000. The total current liabilities 370,542,000. Current assets 780,058,000 divided by current liabilities 370,542,000 equal 1.94. I will interpret the current ratio by comparing two companies at 2020. Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad have higher current assets was 2.61 than SKP Resources Berhad. It shows that Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad have more cash to pay its debts. Second, quick ratio or acid test ratio analysis. The formula is quick asset divided by current liabilities. For Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad, quick assets involve cash and cash equivalents 9,409,000, trade receivable 50,904,000, other receivable 790,000, lease receivable 54,000, and temporary investment 0. The total quick assets 26,157,000. Quick assets 26,157,000 divided by Current liabilities 16,333,000. Take data from current ratio equal 1.6 for quick assets. Quick ratio analysis for SKP resources berhad. Quick assets involve cash and cash equivalents 55,339,000, other investment 126,135,000, and trade and other receivables 358,680,000. Total quick assets 540,144,000. Quick assets 540,144,000 divided by current liabilities 370,542,000. Get the calculation from current ratio for current liabilities equal 1.46. I will interpret the quick ratio by comparing two companies at 2020. Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad have higher quick ratio was 1.6 than SKP Resources Berhad was 1.46. It shows that Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad to settle the current liabilities less than 1 year. Third, account receivable turnover analysis. The formula is sales divided by average account receivables. The formula to compute average account receivable is for Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad, beginning of year, trade receivables plus other receivables 22,370,000 plus end of year 16,748,000 equal 39,118,000. 39,118,000 divided by 2 equal 90,559,000. Sales 98,862,000 get from annual report 2020 as statements of profit or loss and other comprehensive income divided by average account receivables 90,559,000 equal 5.05. Account receivable turnover analysis for SKP Resources Berhad. The formula to compute average account receivable equal beginning of year 320,682,000 plus end of year 358,680,000 equal 679,362,000. 679,362,000 divided by 2 equal 339,681. Sales 1,826,733. Get the data from annual report 2020 as statements of comprehensive income divided by average account receivable 339,681 equal 5.38. I will interpret the account receivable turnover analysis by comparing two companies. Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad get 5.05 ratio while SKP Resources Berhad get 5.38. It shows that both companies collected the same average receivables 5 times during the year. Both companies are collecting their money from customers every 2 or 3 months. Lastly, inventory turnover analysis. The formula is cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. The formula to compute average inventory for Toyo Ventures Holding Berhad is beginning of year 30,424,000 plus end of year 50,362,000 equal 28,786,000. 28,786,000 divided by 2 equal 40,393,000. Cost of goods sold 77,937,000 get from annual report 2020 statements of profit or loss and other comprehensive income divided by average inventory 40,393,000 equal 5.41. Inventory turnover analysis for SKP resources per head. The formula to compute average inventory is beginning of year 93,589,000 plus end of year 164,138,000 equal 257,727,000. 257,727,000 divided by 2 equal 128,864,000. Cost of goods sold equal 1,740,474. Get data from Annual Report 2020 Estimates of Comprehensive Income divided by average inventory 128,864,000 equal 12.73. I will interpret the inventory turnover analysis. SKP resources per head sells its inventory 12.73 compared to Toyo Ventures holding per head 5.41. SKP resources per head was more efficiently sell the inventory it buys. That's all for me.